Koi whala himi e kamata aki e tau lotu whakawhetai ki ho tau e ki I he pongi ni. Koi himi ono nge au ma hiwa o himi. Ono noa hiwa o himi. O kukumi e ki ai whana ma ana. O kutau ki nau tolu ke whai halakana. Pea tuu he ene tohi a ho mau hingoa ai koloa kano kato ai e kisi hova.
O kukumi he ki ai whanau maana o kutau ki nau tolu ke whai harakana. Pea tuu he ene tohi a ho mau hingoa ai koloa kano kato ai e kisi hova. Whakaamu e ki ke maupe keisi ki ke lelei pe ai loto pe e ki uliki. Pea tuu ene tohi a ho mau hingoa ai koloa kano kato ai e kisi hova. Koe ulua ki foha e me tope maana ai me a kotoa. Pea tuu ene tohi a ho mau hingoa ai koloa kano kato ai e kisi hova. Amen.
E whesoa he ono vesi uluaki moua. Ai whanau mo talango fua e he e ki mau matua ki hono totonu ia. Whaka apa ki hoo tamai mo hoo whae o ku uluaki whikau ia. O ku ia e hono tala ofa. Si ane wahe tolu vesi tahano. Hina e ofa pehe ai o tuaki mamani koia na ane fuaki hono alo to fope taha na e whakatuku koi uhi koia katoa pe o kutui pikitai kia te ia ke oa na auha kai mau ai moui ta engata. Same taru whaa vesi walu. Mo kamata ihe eki o ilo kusai. Manu ia ka kotoa o kufangaki ai.
Filipai vai wha vesi wha. Mau fia ki he eki ki o mau matua. Ia matole ngā same vesi fitu mai walu. Nane whakahanga la kia mo sese mai ngai ngoe kia whanawa Isleli. Oku mana ofa moanga lele kia siawa whakataki pa moho alo ofa.
Ka take mau pui ke tau lotu. E o tua te take au whakaolo ai mama ki hoku loto. La ngau hi au ko whetu ungingila ko koe ai malohi mai mafi. Amen.
Amen. Ko mana e hani ke tāpua wafa ke hoko mai hokule ke whaiti ngalo a me koe langi te he koki mamani. Waki mai hona mana kania nai e a whakamole la kania hana a he koe mau whakamole aki na tofa e moimoi. O na ke tuka to tai ahi whamata
mali mani oni tuk matol ona hali kafapa tangata. Amen.
Amen.
Te upuno. Te.
Kalasitahan, kepastian. Oke, dan malu apa itu? Boleh? Saya kau tahu rotu ya, naik tatasi he kalasitahan. Osse toi tapu ya on no la mikasta. Maka malola ka now to. So before we carry on, I would like to ask the principal to start our day with appearance and say something before we carry on. Pas bagian.
Thank you to our juniors for the Latu this morning. Very nice to hear you speak very loudly and very clearly. Very proud of that. So thank you for being so brave to stand up in front of the whole of Siawa and the parents this morning. Thank you for getting dressed up. You've got 3 more days after today to get dressed up, and tomorrow you're going to get dressed up even better. Much better than me. Okay, so tomorrow is your Paula day, And we're going to have heaps of visitors coming tomorrow. The Ministry of Education are only invited to come tomorrow. No other day. Not today, not Thursday, not Friday. They're only allowed tomorrow. Not that our parents are more important than them. So thank you very much. Thank you to the parents for being here today as well. And right throughout the whole week, I hope. So thank you for your support. Today, have a wonderful day. And just a reminder to the seniors, playing rugby in your tauwala is not the thing to do. Okay? You have your tauwala, forget about your rugby and your sports for today. So have a wonderful day. Okay? Thanks for that.